Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DigiByte coin. In today's video, I want to discuss with you this movement of the price action within this pennant, and I will also discuss with you this Bill Williams alligator indicator as well, and we will also watch the different simple moving averages on the daily and on the weekly chart as well. And I would like to show you this bearish bad pattern that can lead the price action even to the highest price ever in the history of DGB or DigiByte coin. First of all, let me just show you my previous idea that I shared with you in my previous video. At that time, the price action just broke out this resistance of the pennant where the price action was moving, and I was expecting that the price action will retest the support, the previous resistance of the pennant as a support, and after that it will start the next rally in case if it will be successful in retesting. Now I'm just playing this chart. Then the price action retested this support, but it is failed to retest this support, and again it is entered in this wedge pad in this pennant, and at this time it is at the support of this pennant. We can see that the price action is again entered in this pennant. Now we can also observe that we were having lower highs, but now we are having higher highs by the price action of this DGB coin. Therefore, the price action is now likely to change the pattern from pennant to an up channel. I'm just copying this line and it will be like this. Now we have, this is the resistance of the up channel. This can be the resistance and this can be the support, and now the price action is at the support of the up channel. And as in my previous video, I just suggested you to use this Bill Williams alligator indicator if you are looking for any appropriate exit or if you want to use it as a stop loss. For example, if the price action did not break down the support and the alligator indicator has given the sell signal, then you can ignore those sell signal, because these are this is the combination of three simple moving averages, very small time period simple moving averages, and sometimes it can give the false signal. Therefore, I always use this indicator with the combination of different patterns. For example, here I'm using with up channel, or you can also use this indicator with some other set of indicators as well. For the people who don't know about the Bill Williams alligator indicator or Bill Williams 3 line, let me to tell you that this is the moving average 5, and this is the moving average 8, and this blue one is the moving average 13. So this is the combination of these three simple moving averages, and whenever the smallest time period moving average moves below all other moving averages, then we have the 8 moving average, then we have this bigger time period moving average 13 above all, then it is considered as a sell signal or bearish signal. And whenever we have this smallest time period moving average above all, then we have the bigger one, the 8, and the biggest one, that is 13 below all, then you can consider it as a buying signal or bullish signal. And this moving average 5 is called lips of the alligator, and this red one, the 8 moving average, is called teeth, and this biggest moving average with the time period of 13 is called jaw. So at this time we have this signal, this bearish signal, the first signal, that the simple moving average with the time period of 5 has crossed down all other simple moving averages, and now this 8 moving average is moving down. Once it will be moved down, then we will have the biggest time period moving average above all, then 8, then 5. That will be a sell signal. But if the price action will not break down this support, then we can ignore that sell signal. For example, we also had such sell signal here when this 5 simple moving average moved below all. Not here. Let me to find. It was here. We had the 5 simple moving average below all. Then we had the 8th one, and then we had the biggest one with the time period of 13 above all. So this was a sell signal by the alligator indicator, but the price action did not break down this support. Therefore, we in that situation we can ignore this signal, and we can see that the price action turned bullish and moved up to the resistance of the channel. So at this time, the price action did not break down this support. If we will have the sell signal by the Bill Williams alligator indicator, then you can ignore this sell signal. Now, if we watch the different simple moving averages on the daily chart with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then the price action has broken down the 25 simple moving average, and this is at the support of 50 and 100 simple moving averages. Now we have very strong support, and we also have a complete open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages, as we have the 25, the smallest time period moving above all, then we have the bigger one, then bigger one, and the biggest time period moving average is below all. So this is more powerful bullish signal than the alligator indicator, because the combination of Bill Williams alligator indicator is a very small time period moving averages. But here we have the bigger one, the 25, 50, 100, and 200. This is my own combination of simple moving averages that I normally use to receive the buying or sell signals. So this combination of moving averages works better than the Bill Williams alligator indicator. You can also use this combination as well. And if we watch the simple moving averages, the same time period moving averages on the weekly chart, then we have a very strong resistance of 200 simple moving average. Therefore, the price action is likely to move down. But if we watch from the downside, then we have the 25 simple moving average has crossed up this 50 simple moving average. Then 25 is moving up to form a bull cross or golden cross with with this 100 simple moving average, and this 50 simple moving average is also likely to move up. So whenever the smallest time period moving average, the smaller one, crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that produces a bull rally or bullish, that is a bullish signal or buying signal. So once we will have this signal, the 25 simple moving average will cross up this 100, then it can also produce the next rally to upside. And the biggest or strongest buying signal can be on the weekly chart when we will have the golden cross between 50 and 200. That is a real golden cross. That is considered a real golden cross, and on the weekly chart that can produce a really very strong bullish rally that can even lead the price action to trigger this chart that I have posted back more than a year back in June 2019, that the price action of DGB is forming the final leg of this bearish chart pattern. At that time, it was just entered in this potential reversal zone, and now I'm playing this chart, and now you can see that from this potential reversal zone, as predicted, the price action is moving up, and it is very close to this secure sell targets, and I'm expecting that it will also complete this final leg of the bullish shark pattern up to this level. So these are the aggressive target sell zone, and this is the secure target sell zone. You can also sell it here, or you can also wait for the price action to enter at this level. I'm also sharing the buying and sell targets in the video's description. You can find there. So this was the update so far for the DGB. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.